Hi everyone, welcome to a new video of Horilla. In today's video, let's discuss how to create bulk attendance request. So, creating a bulk attendance request for an employee serves several important purposes, especially in organizations that need to manage attendance data efficiently and accurately. So, when an employee's attendance for multiple days needs to be recorded, this feature saves time compared to processing records individually. So, for example, if an employee failed to mark attendance due to technical issues like system downtime or biometric failure, this bulk request allows the HR team to rectify these discrepancies efficiently. So, the employee can request for a bulk attendance for like multiple days where the system didn't register their clock ins. So, let's see how we can manage that. So, under the attendance module, we have the attendance request. So over here we have a create button from where we'll be able to create new attendance request. So let's click on create and we have the new attendance request form. And if you're creating the attendance request in bulk, we have a toggle create bulk over here. So this enables the bulk creation of attendance records for multiple days. So when it is toggled on, the attendance will be applied for the date range specified in the from date and to date field. So let's on this toggle. So we can see the from date and to date fields has been added, and we have to specify the dates up to from and up to which we have to create the attendance request for. So let's say we are trying to create a attendance request from 2nd of December 2024 to 6th of December. So we have to create a bulk attendance request for starting from 2nd December up to 6th of December. So over here, we can add the employee for whom we are going to create this attendance request for. So let's say Abigail Roberts has forgot or she couldn't mark her attendance for these many days and she is trying to create an attendance request. So we have the field to add the shift that she was working in those days. Next is the work type. And let's provide the check-in and check-out date. So I'm giving the check-in time as 8:30 and the checkout time as 5:30. And then we have the minimum hour. I'm setting the minimum hour as 8 hours and the work hours is 8 hours 15 minutes. And if you want to add any request description, that is if we need to provide or provide any reason for creating the attendance request, we can provide it over there. So let's let's give the description as attendance was not marked. Let's say due to system failure. So I've added a description over here. And now if we want to batch these requests, that is this batch field over here allows the grouping of the requests into batch so that we can track or filter them out easily. So we have the option to select the batch, and we can also create a new batch from here with this dynamic create option. We just have to provide the title of the batch we are creating and save it. So let's choose a batch over here and let's click on request. So over here, we'll be able to view the request that we have created. That is for Abigail Roberts in batch 1, we have the date that is 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. So for these many days, we have created the attendance request for this employee together. So that is the main use of creating this bulk feature. So we do not have to create each day's attendance request individually. So this is a very useful feature in such cases where the attendance were not marked for multiple days. So from here, the admin can view the request that was made by the employee and approve the request once he have reviewed the request that was made. So let's click on approve. So once the request has been approved, the attendance for that day for that employee will be marked. So this is how we can create bulk attendance in Horilla. So hope it is clear and thank you for watching.